Welcome. It is good to see you today. Today's video, how to build passive income sources. We will show the different methods used today and what we can offer you for your own startup business. First things first, wrap your head around what passive income is. It's like having a money-making robot that requires a bit of assembly upfront, but works tirelessly for you afterward. Now, imagine being a shareholder in companies that practically pay you to own a piece of their success. That's right, we're talking about dividend stocks. This is one step on how to build passive income sources. Let's consider other steps, programs, and offers. Next up, let's stroll down the avenue of real estate, not the stressful landlord kind, but the cool, passive income kind. Whether it's rental properties or real estate investment trusts. It's like having your money moonlighting as a property magnate while you catch up on your favorite TV shows. But hey, we're living in the digital age. If you've got a passion or expertise, why not turn it into a digital goldmine? Start a blog, YouTube channel, or even an online course. It's like turning your hobby into a 24/7 income source, revenue stream. Now, who says you can't be the author of your own life? Write a book or create digital products and watch the royalties roll in like a red carpet under your feet. Lastly, your creativity flow and build something that earns you royalties. Whether it's music, art, or even cat memes, put your stamp on it and let the world and your bank account enjoy the masterpiece. There is no limit on one's creativity, passion. In conclusion, learning how to build passive income sources is like planting a money tree. It takes some effort to build and create in the beginning, but soon enough, your time and effort can reap great financial rewards for you and your family. So, stop wondering, start exploring, and unleash the power of passive income on your journey to financial freedom. Care to join us? We have a proven method with the 60-day money-back guarantee. If you wish to learn how to build passive income sources, we have all the tools, video training, and strategies to build a successful online business so you can hit the ground running from day one. Click on the link in the description and sign up for a free webinar about such a program. You can start learning and earning today. Thank you for watching.